Hi, this stunning 3-year-old home is a true masterpiece, boasting of 5 spacious bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. As soon as you step inside, you'll be greeted with a beautifully maintained interior that emanates luxury and comfort. The formal dining area features coffered ceilings, adding an elegant touch to your dining experience. The downstairs sunroom lounge is perfect for relaxing and basking in the natural light that floods the room. You'll also enjoy a spacious great room with a cozy fireplace for family and friends. Now, the eat-in kitchen is a chef's dream, with a large island that provides plenty of space for cooking and eating. Downstairs rooms seamlessly transition through multiple arches, beautiful arches, adding a touch of elegance to the overall design of the home. Now, the master suite. The master suite is a true retreat, complete with a separate sitting area that's perfect for exercise, relaxation, or meditation. The master bathroom is equally impressive, featuring 2 isolated vanities and 2 isolated walk-in closets, one for him, one for her, that offer ample storage and space. The privacy fenced in the backyard offers the perfect space to unwind and enjoy the outdoors, while the neighborhood amenities offer something for everyone to enjoy. Now, this stunning property is truly one of a kind and is sure to impress even the most discerning home buyer. To see more, please check out our website at www.tailoredrealtyhomes.com. Now, come take a tour with me.